Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hidden Taste of India. In this video, I am sharing with you all very unique and creative unicorn theme cake designs. All the designs are beginners friendly and easy to make. So, if you like any of the cake design, then take a screenshot of it and make a cake for your celebration like that. And if you want more such cake designs idea, then please visit my channel. I have uploaded many such videos on unicorn theme cake design and even different type of cake designs, birthday girl cake designs, boys girl theme cake design and many more. So if you work in a cake gallery and you are a cake enthusiast, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. If you like any of the cake design, then take a screenshot of it and make a cake for your celebration like that. All the cake designs are beginners friendly and easy to make. If you are thinking of making your birthday girl birthday more special, then unicorn theme cake is the one. If you have any kind of suggestion and if you want any kind of cake design, then please comment on the below and I will share a cake on that topic too. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then subscribe my channel, like this video and share this channel with your friends and family members and to the one who works in a cake gallery. Thanks for watching.